If you've just finished a meeting or an event and want to reflect on what has happened, this is for you. So, find a position so your body feels at ease. You could be laying back or sitting down. Close your eyes and begin to relax for our time together. Feel the surface on where your body rests and allow it to support you completely. Feel your body give way and gently surrender any tension or strain. Notice the tempo of your breathing. Without altering it at all, just become more aware of when the body wants to breathe in and when it wants to breathe out. Now, simply breathing in and out through your nose, if possible. Soften the muscles across your shoulders. Let your arms drop and become heavy. Sinking into feeling supported and safe as you gradually slow down your breath. Taking a few longer, slower breaths in and allowing the out-breath to cascade down as a gentle waterfall. Your thoughts will come and go, allowing any topic, situations, or circumstances to drift through the mind and out with your streaming breath. Helping you to clear your mind of any useless debris and thoughts not worth getting lost in. Now, feel the edges of your eyes soften, your jaw open, and your shoulders drop a bit more. Feel the ribs flare out on the in-breath and contract in on the out-breath. Do this a few more times, feeling the ribs flare out and contract in. Repeating the words calm on the in-breath and content on the out-breath. Simply enjoying the breath breathing you. Just repeating calm on the in-breath and content on the out-breath. You're probably going over some things that happened during the meeting. And that's okay. I want you to begin breathing in the word calm and breathing out the word content. You begin to imagine the front of your mind has a set of French doors. Let them swing open, letting you have a front row seat to reflect on your meeting. What stands out to you? What were the key moments that resonated with you, whether they were successes, challenges, or insights? Allow yourself to feel any emotions associated with these moments: pride, relief, or even uncertainty. Breathing in the word calm, and breathing out the word content. What words of wisdom do you want to take with you from this meeting? My voice will be silent for just a bit while you reflect. So now, as you come back to the sound of my voice, straighten your legs if they were crossed. Point and flex your feet. Rotate your ankles. Travel up your legs and into your body. Up and across your shoulders and down your arms and into your hands as you open and close them. Traveling up into your throat, and into your jaw, as the edges of your mouth lift up, and now bring your attention to rest right behind your eyelids, still closed. On your next exhalation, your eyes open slowly. A smile washes across your face, sending the message of peace and gratitude for our time together. Now, be sure to come back to this meditation anytime you need to reflect on another meeting. Thank you so much.